What the hell are you doing?
Sir, inaayos lang namin yung gamit ni Dr. Smith. For you, Dr. Hope.
No. Leave his belongings. This will always be the office of Dr. Richard Hamaguchi Smith. Understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, paano yung gamit niyo?
This is all I need. Now put back everything. Pero yung tray na yan, tanggalin niyo yan. Dito hotel. Move it! Sandali. Are you ready for your training exercise?
Yes, Doctor.
Yapang, ha? Launch the Hawk and Falcon class missiles.
Sir?
Hindi mo ba ako narinig? Paulanan mo ng missiles ang Voltes 5.
Ay, sir. Missiles away.
Nadedetect niyo ba yung missiles from the camp? Dr. Hook, what's going on?
The exercise is to evade those missiles without using any of your weapons. I'll kick you out if you fail to follow my instructions.
Secret class missiles yung mga yan. Bad news!
Ipapatayin niyo kami sa pinapagawa niyo eh.
Then die, you bunch of amateurs.
Sabi nito.
Danger, danger!
Kuya, malapit na yung missile sa atin!
Everyone, drop altitude to sea level now!
Wow!
Team, maintain your speed. Get ready to do evasive maneuvers and please watch your terrain. Roger?
Roger!
All right, here we go.
Wow!
Buti na lang nakaiwas tayo sa mga seeker missiles. Malito! Pwede tayong mamatay sa mga pinapagawa ni Dr. Hook.
Doctor, do we really have to do this? Parang sobra naman na ata to eh.
No nonsense. You know, if you die, it's because of your carelessness.
Kahit kailan, hindi papagawa sa amin ni Dr. Smith to. Akala ko ba protege niya kayo?
Did I fall short of your expectations? Because you surely fall short of mine.
Ayoko na! Sobra na to!
Not too quick, Little John. Only if you have mastered the spin technique, then you can go back to the base.
Doctor, pwede niyo bang sabihin na lang sa amin kung anong objective nitong exercise na to?
Just do what I say! At pwede ba huwag na kayong maraming tanong? Walang babalik dito sa base hanggat di tayo tapos. Now, execute the V formation at full speed. Natutunan niyo na magpabilis. Now it's time to spin. Move it!
Power trip tayo nito ni Dr. Hook.
Oo nga. Umalis na tayo rito.
Kaya alis, Little John. Papatunayan natin sa Dr. Hook na yan kung sino talaga tayo. That we are trained by the best. Hindi tayo amateurs, guys. Team, get ready to do the spin fly technique.
Mach 1. Mach 2. Mach 3. Mach 4. Mach 5. Hypersonic.
Mach 6.
Mach 7.
Mach 8.
Mach 9!
Mach 10.
Now spin!
Go! Spin fly technique!
Spin faster.
Sir, yung biosigns nila are reaching critical levels.
Humihinga pa sila, di ba? Tuloy ang training exercise.
Team, hang on! Hang on!
Spin faster.
Look! We're at maximum speed. Baka mapahamak po kami dito.
Shut up! Spin like tops and master the technique. Otherwise, hindi matatapos ang training ninyo.
Let's just do it. Go, go, go!
Di ko na kaya! Pulling out! Pulling out! Be careful, Little John! Little John! Little John!
Little John! Little John!
Guys, all our biosigns are going red!
Break formation now! Little John!
Hirap ng pinapagawa niya, Octo 1.
Yep.